preparation for the match against Semen Padang?
Now the fact is, we have still 4 games to play, so you go to the end of the season. Sometimes it's not the time for the final evaluation, but you can make some conclusions before you start ending the season. If you see last year we had 61 points. If we win all the 4 games, then we will have 59 points. So it's only 2 less than last year. If you see the last 10 games we played, and that's also same like last year, we even at this moment much better than last year. Then from the last 10 games we had 7 wins, 2 draws and 1 loss. So it's about the improvement we made again for the 3rd year in a row after the winter. So it's also a conclusion that first of all new players have to adapt to different style of playing, different way of training, and I think that we managed to build our team in the gaps we had in the winter. So I think it's a very good point. And so now for us the last 4 games, the biggest goal is to win all 4 games to get to the 59 points and hopefully to achieve the 4th position. And I think that's more the motivation we must have. And of course we play Padang, they are 9 points they still need for the last game, so they're not relegated yet. So they will, at least if I were the coach, I will still go to win this game. They have to win this game, and for us it's just the ambition to get as high as possible in the ranking. And again, even if you analyze, you can get on 59 points. It's only 2 less than last year.
Oke, faktanya adalah sisa 4 pertandingan menuju akhir, tapi ini bukan final evaluasi, kesimpulan tapi bisa dilakukan. Intinya musim lalu kita poin 61. Terus kalau kita menang semua pertandingan, ada poinnya 59, jadi masih kurang 2 poin. Ini sama seperti musim lalu, di mana 10 game terakhir kita hasilnya baik, bahkan lebih baik daripada musim lalu. 7 game, 2 draw, 1 kalah. Ada improvement juga, kita tahu setelah musim dingin. Intinya pemain baru harus adaptasi, bangun tim lagi. Terus ada gap juga di musim dingin, sisa 4 pertandingan. Tujuannya adalah menang semua pertandingan, 59 pertandingan. Masih ada 4 pertandingan dan itu lebih motivasi sebenarnya. Terus melawan Padang ini belum degradasi. Kalau saya pelatihnya Padang, ya saya akan coba untuk menang di pertandingan kali ini. Tetapi untuk Dewa sendiri ambisinya adalah setinggi mungkin, sama kalau bisa menang semua pertandingan dan kalau bisa peringkat 4.
Okay, thank you Sian for the answer for the match against Padang.
So now we have a lot of games in a short period, but we are prepared well, and because we have many good players, so we are ready to win next game.
Sekarang banyak game periode pendek kata Taisei, terus persiapan juga udah cukup baik karena kita punya banyak pemain bagus, jadi dia rasa siap untuk main di pertandingan selanjutnya.
Thank you Taki for the answer, Coach May. For next questions.
For us or for them?
For you to anticipate their spirit.
No, but okay, if they want to win, they can do 2. They will make 2 choices. They don't need to score in the first minute. 90 minutes is also okay. So I don't think they will choose that strategy. I think they will wait and they try to find a moment to score a goal. And but I hope that we have a bigger motivation to finish the season in a good way.
Oke, kalau mau menang, Padang punya 2 pilihan. Cetak gol di awal dan gak kebobolan di akhir, tapi kayaknya bukan itu pilihannya mereka. Mereka kayaknya bakal tunggu terus cari momen untuk cetak gol. Harusnya kita punya motivasi lebih daripada mereka.
Okay, it's the same for Taki. They will give some maybe more spirit for the game tomorrow because maybe it's do or die for them.
Yeah.
So how did you anticipate it?
Yeah, I think Padang will fight tomorrow, but I think we can dominate this game and we are ready for this.
Dia rasa Padang akan fight besok, tapi Dewa juga bisa dominasi pertandingan besok, jadi kita siap lah.
But I explained. I think we are in the whole process. We now. I think at the moment we are there to perform, and it was at that moment not. I think the squad was not in balance. I know that, for example, Dani Saputra, he was a right winger. He played as a right back under 23, and now you see we managed to get very good under 23 players. But at that moment, our young right wing had to play right back, and at Padang is always difficult. I think in the away game. But okay, in those statistics, I'm not so interested. I think we have to win the next games, and then we have the last game against Bali.
Oke, sudah dijelaskan tadi sebenarnya, tapi proses secara keseluruhan adalah untuk performa waktu itu belum seimbang. Dani Saputra yang posisinya adalah sayap kanan main di bek kanan, dan saat itu juga pemain muda kita malah mainnya malah main. Terus sekarang kita berhasil menemukan pemain muda yang bagus di U23. Main lawan Padang away itu selalu sulit, tapi kita harus menang di pertandingan besok dan juga sampai pertandingan terakhir melawan Bali juga harus tetap menang.
Thank you for the answer. Mungkin itu menjadi pertanyaan terakhir untuk pre-match pada siang hari ini. Terima kasih rekan-rekan yang telah hadir. Terima kasih Coach Ian, terima kasih Taisi, dan terima kasih Coach Bayu. Terima kasih untuk semuanya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dan Press Jepang. Terima kasih. Selamat siang.
Thank you. There are always a lot of journalists.